everyone, I'm Sharon Kim Chan from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today, Landed 7772 is here at District 21, Greenridge Crescent at Upper Bukit Timah to share with you this functional, cozy 2.5-story corner terrace with a land size of 3,566 square feet with an approximate build-up of 2,800 square feet. It comes fully equipped with 5 luxurious-sized bedrooms en suite, a well-renovated wet and dry kitchen, a good-sized living and dining area, inclusive of 1 guest room and a maid's room on the first level. Situated within 1 kilometre to 2 kilometres are good primary schools like Bukit Timah Primary School, Kerming Primary School and Pei Hwa Presbyterian Primary School. There are only 73 exclusive units of such Tudor design houses here in Eng Kong Estate. Snagged within 1.4 km to Beauty World MRT and Beauty World Centre. This house is situated exclusively amidst greeneries but yet conveniently located near amenities. Call me at 9277 for your exclusive home tour today. Landed 7772, your compass for landed properties.
AAG, the #1 top division in Orange Tea and Thai.